Welcome to today's instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will be solving the inequality 7g minus 2 is less than 20. We will go step by step to find the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Stay tuned for the full solution coming up next. To solve the inequality 7g minus 2 less than 20, our first step is to isolate the term that contains the variable g. To do this, we need to undo the subtraction by 2. We can accomplish this by adding 2 to both sides of the inequality. So we start with 7g minus 2 less than 20. Now add 2 to both sides of the inequality to maintain the balance. This gives us 7g less than 20 plus 2. So after performing the addition on the right side, the expression becomes 7g less than 22. Our next step is to isolate the variable g by getting rid of the multiplication by 7. Currently, we have 7g less than 22. To isolate g, we need to undo the multiplication by 7. We do this by dividing both sides of the inequality by 7. So now we divide both sides by 7 to keep the inequality balanced. This gives us g less than 22 divided by 7. When we perform the division, the expression becomes g less than 22 over 7. This fraction cannot be simplified further, so we leave it as it is. So, our solution for the inequality in inequality notation form is g less than 22 over 7. To express this in interval notation, we need to represent all the values that g can take. The solution means g can be any number less than 22 over 7, but not equal to 22 over 7. In interval notation, this is written as open interval minus infinity to 22 over 7. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.